Okay, so now in this video we have this door in place. It's in place but not positioned the way we want it to be positioned, so we'll just go ahead and use those parametric features and flip this around so it's the other way, and I think that's what I wanted right there. I might do something like open that up a little bit more just so we can can see, and then click trim and use that as a cutting edge, right click, and then get rid of that and that. Alright, so I've got my door there. So I got all those doors in place. The only thing I'm missing now is this door and the garage doors. Alright, so let's go ahead and place a door up here. We can place a door right in this area. Let's look and see how it's positioned. So it's up against the wall there, which is what I anticipated. That way. We'll go back up to here, and then we'll move it down 4 inches exactly. Move this way 4 inches. Go ahead and click trim, use that as a cutting edge, and this as a cutting edge, and then right click and get rid of that and that. So now that door's in place. Okay, so to make things simple, I'm going to go ahead and click trim. Use this line as a cutting edge right here, right click, and get rid of the rest of that. So now that's out of our way and we don't need to see it. So if we have a distance that goes across the opening here of 22 feet, there's a couple things we can do. Let's go to Lowe's again. And I think we decided before that garage doors, oops, misspelled it. Garage doors were about 9 feet across. In this case, we could do something really fun. Let's see, it's 192 inches. So let's see, 192 divided by 12 works out to be 16 feet. So we could do a 16-foot door across that 22 feet if we wanted to, and do one single garage door, which might be neat, or do 2 separate garage doors. And so let's look at one of these. That's a separate garage door. So we have the option of doing 1 16-foot or 2 that are traditional garage doors. And I think we decided before that the actual width there is 108, and that turns out to be 9 feet across. So we actually get more space that way to do that. So let's go back to here. And if that was 22 feet. Alright, so let's do something fun here. We're going to make a line that goes across 8 feet. And we're going to end up needing 2 of them. But if we do the distance here, 8 foot here, 22 minus 8 is 8, 16. 22 minus 16 is 6 feet. So let's say we did a spot right here in the middle, and we'll go down this way about that far, and we're going to offset it about 1 foot. 1 foot. We'll go over here and over here. So that's going to be our walls in between it. What you should probably do then now is move this line up here right onto that, and then hit move, M for move, enter, P for previous, and then let's go back 2 inches. Alright. Okay, so then what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and use the mirror command and mirror this. Right click from the center there over to here. We can now use those two to trim. Oops. Apparently I did that wrong. Mirror, right click, center point here. Don't delete my source objects. No. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and move this. I'll extend that over 2 inches that way, because it always overlaps. And 2 inches that way. I can go ahead and mirror this from here and here, right here from this midpoint, and get that one positioned in the correct spot. And then when I do trim, I'll use these as cutting edges right here. Right click with the mouse and get rid of that and that, that and that. Alright, so now we've got our garage doors in there. Alright. So that's all of our doors. So we're ready to start doing windows, but I'm going to stop this video and do windows on the next one.